Hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Sokhom. Today I got another little project doohickey here we can do with the Lexus GX. I got here is a harness module for it's supposed to fold the mirrors and make the windows open and close. So before we get into it, go ahead and hit that like button now or on the way out. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so it looks something like this. You got two wires here that probably attach. I was looking at some videos on their website. It looks like this goes under the steering column, so we'll probably have to open that up. And this looks just like the OBD2 that's under the car, and then you have this that plugs into it that bypass the whole system. All right, let's get into the car. All right, so I've already went ahead and took the steering cover off, but I'll show you how I did it. For the 2020, you have to, what I did was go ahead and start the car. And then what you want to do is go ahead and extend your steering wheel out, release it. Turn the radio off real quick. Alright, so first of all, what I did was turn the steering wheel left, and you'll see a screw here, right? And then turn it back the other way, and then you'll see a screw here. Take those off, and then somewhere in the bottom you'll see a screw, like right in this spot. So there's only 3 screws you can take off, and once you do, you take a little plastic wedge or pry piece, and then you would stick it like right in between here on this plastic piece with the steering column, right in between there. Just like wedge it right in, and then pry it up, and it would just pop open. After that, you just have to pull on it, just like gently pull on it, and then the whole thing would just pop right off. And then you just, and for this part where the steering wheel adjuster, or right here that comes out, you just have to like pull back and then yank it right down, and it'll come right off. Okay, let's go ahead and put this piece on. Hold on, it's ringing, it's annoying. All right, here we go. All right, so right under the steering column, there's this blue tab, or this blue connection right here, and this is the connection you want to take off. So go ahead and take that off, like so, and then you have this connection that looks just like it. See it? And that one goes in place of that blue one that you just took out. And then in place of that, the blue one goes into this one that's on this harness. All right, if I can get that in there. somehow. All right, just like that. So everything's connected. So I found out that the mirrors would only fold if you have the option for it that's up here. Since I don't have that option, these mirrors will not fold, but the windows will roll up and down. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that now. Alright, so mirrors are supposed to fold when you hit the unlock button, when you hit the lock button, but since I don't have the option for power folding, it's not gonna work, right? And for the windows, they will roll down if you hold the unlock button. The longer you hold, the more it goes down. Now it also opens the sunroof, but for some reason when you lock the doors, all the windows will roll up, but the sunroof will stay open. So all you have to do is to roll the window back up, is just lock the car. Now as for the sunroof, it stays open. And the only way to close it is to turn the car on and just manually close it yourself. I hope you guys find that video useful, and if you do, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe, and link to the part will be in the description. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.